This, you know, so I see people going and betting everyone. Why? Because someone told something.
ये गेम खत्म करना.
हाँ?
खत्म करना. स्टार्ट है.
हाँ?
हाँ स्टार्ट है ना रुक. हाँ स्टार्ट है. सिर्फ खत्म कर देना. वो लेवल
Please silent. Huh? Please silent. Obviously you get pissed off, right? This is what you said, and I told you. I can't say who that person is, but what you did was very cheap, the cheapest game ever, man. You sit beside me, you give me food, you do this, you just tell me like, dude, this friend.
You know me now.
What? Of course, even you also
I
know me,
can't
right?
do this.
Why you can't do like this?
I can't do this.
He knows
I
it.
never do this.
He knows it.
What?
He knows it. He's just
Tell
shutting
me.
his mouth. He knows it.
Tell me.
Dude,
हाँ बता.
tell.
I don't know.
He won't do it with me. Tell me. Hey, dude.
Then I will
Tell. You have to tell. Otherwise, this fellow will never believe.
Yes.
Because of you two guys only, no, I'm not able to study. You know that. Because of you two guys. You can open your mouth in between, but you can't tell the truth to him. Huh?
Yes.
What?
Tell him.
Dude, tell. Tell. Okay, you just have to say like this. Did he tell to 2 or 3 people that Kiran is a cheap guy, something bad about? Just tell me that, yes or no?
Which people?
Dude, like that 2 people trusted me and you told. You think like people whom you know that I don't know?
I don't know. You have to tell me his name. That's it.
No, I'm not so dumb like you
No.
to tell his name. What say? If I tell something about him to you and you leak out the information to him, you think he will tell your name to me? Why? Because he trusts you, right? I mean, you trusted him, that's why you told the secret, right? The same way only.
You want to see a movie?
I didn't come to see a movie.
अबे तू बोला था क्या किसी को कुछ?
इसको बोलेगा यार हम कहाँ किसी को बोला यार? इसको बोला उसका नाम तो बोल कम से कम पूछेगा ना हम कम से कम किसको बोला नहीं बोला.
अरे वो क्या बोल रहा है कि जिसने उसको बताया कि उसने उसको भरोसा करके बताया.
कि जिसने उसको बताया ना उसने मना किया कि मेरे को नहीं बताना कि माता राम मेरे को बताया. अबे 4-5 लोगों के अलावा हम जाते किधर है यार बैचमेट?
Open your mouth in between. Can't say the truth, right? Tell him what happened. Just tell him what happened. Don't piss me off now. Really. Now the whole friendship is going to break because of you now.
No, it's nothing but when we were talking.
Listen. You don't believe, right? You don't believe? Listen.
अरे तू बोलते बोलते किसी को कुछ बोला था क्या?
नहीं मेरे को क्या जरूरत है?
In our group we are talking.
What group? In group I am saying
Of
that Kiran is a bad girl. Bad
No,
boy.
you said to other people, but in the group, he also heard it. I was also there.
What I said Kiran is a bad girl. Sorry, bad girl.
Dude, because of you, you screwed up my name over there in the college. All the people, I used to...
In the college?
Of course, I'm
Ground.
not
In ground.
No, man.
College.
In the principal's office, I was playing cricket. That time I heard it. I'm talking
Kiran
something
is saying.
serious. No, listen. I'm talking something serious and you're making a fool of it, man.
Because I know now, I never said it to anyone.
But I know that you said. Okay, if I suppose I say something about him, okay, if he hears from you, he may not believe. But
If I
if
will
two
say
people,
he's
one
telling
second,
lie-
if, no, one second. If 2 people tell the same thing, obviously you'll believe, right?
No.
If I will say he's telling to you lie, telling lie, then what?
2 people will tell lies together, right?
Yes.
Same thing.
10
thing.
people. 10 people say that. This is possible, man.
Let it be possible, but what you did was not at all right.
I know one thing. I never said to anyone about you, good or bad, anything.
That is your mistake.
No.
That is your mistake.
Don't waste your time. Just go and study.
See this one. See this one.
अबे यार मेरे को तो कुछ भी पता नहीं हम किसको बोले नहीं बोले तो हम कैसे सीरियस हो हमको तो जोक ही लग रहा है ये सब ये don't
You can screw up my name, but I can't screw your bottle. One chota bottle like this.
छोटा बॉटल
What?
what
You have my name and come, that's it. I was serious. I'll really screw
you have to
I will really screw you. Till now I was shutting my mouth. You were thinking I was joking. Because why? Because you were making joke of all this stuff, man.
No. You have to say that person name. Then I will believe. I ask him. I discuss with him. Then I will believe. What you say?
शिवम था बे वो,
शिवम था?
शिवम एक था उनमें से.
Why did you tell his name, man?
No,
शिवम का?
better this thing you clear now itself.
हाँ.
Means in future it will not make any problem, that's why.
रूम नंबर कितना से होगा? कहाँ पे?
Room number 26. No problem, you just go and clear. Oh na, go and clear first actually.
Why did you tell his name?
No, let's see what will
Tell his
happen.
name. Why did you tell his name?
Don't worry, come.
अरे पहले आप नहीं करे?
हाँ? तू बोलना, मैंने बताया था किरण को कि मदर किरण के बारे में कुछ तो बोलना था. ओके, तू बोलना, मदर तेरे को पूछना है. मैं तेरे को क्या बोला था किरण, तू बोलना, याद कर बोलना था. ओके, याद कर बोलना था. ओके, बोलना, याद कर, तू किरण के बारे में बोलना था. कंजूस से सेल्फिश है. हाँ, अब मदर है ना कुछ.
Shivam,
I told him.
you were also there, right? In between? Huh? Where's that fellow, man? You wanted the name.
No, I told him already what he has to tell.
Because of you, his name came. Because he
क्या
trusted
बोले
me.
बे? उसको बोला क्या जी? जाके मेरे को ही तुम दिए हुआ ना अंदर मंदर.
अरे उस दिन बोला था ना,
क्या चीज?
अरे उसी दिन कब था, कुछ था, झगड़ा ही हुआ था, तभी कुछ बोला था.
इससे क्या झगड़ा हुआ था? कब था? डेट बता ना, टाइम बता. हम क्या बोले वो लाइन में रिपीट कर.
उस दिन
लेट्स बैक में जा.
अरे
You wanted the name. You got
Yeah,
the
yeah.
name. You got the name. Right?
See, I helped
because
you,
of,
but-
because of you. his
Wait.
name came Because he
No.
trusted me.
Better we will clear now itself. Better you clear now
हाँ
itself.
ये से. हाँ भाई जरूर.
नहीं, तू पूछ ले. तेरे को
हाँ,
क्या पूछने
क्या
का?
बोलना
मीन्स
था?
क्या तेरे को भी डाउट ना रहे. No, let's see.
Just tell that what did he say? What that fellow told about me. He said that I'm a cheater and I'm a waste fellow. I what? So many things like that. You wanted the name because of.
मैं तू उस दिन नहीं बोला था, ये सुन गया था.
क्या बोले हम? बिल्कुल क्या था? साले
हाँ.
चप्पल से मारेंगे. समझा कि नहीं?
What did you do, man? Dude, you wanted the name, I got you, and now you want it. Dude, I will hit you, right? You wanted the name.
My bata.
You what do you think this is Paragon, huh?
I will come and wear my shoes.
I don't have one. You wanted the name, his name came on. No, you think he'll ever trust me? Do you think he'll ever trust me?
He said you here.
Because of this stupid fellow.
He said you here. What I'm saying? So tell me.
Of course, you only told no, he heard it.
क्या बोला तेरे में?
Tell what exactly he said.
तू सेल्फिश बोला था तू.
Selfish. This is wrong, man.
You said
I never said you.
One second. You said you wanted to know that person. Ask me.
Because
Because
झूठा ये समझा कि नहीं?
अबे तू उस दिन बोल रहा था.
क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
कब था बे? कुछ था यार.
क्या था बता मेरे को. ये कहाँ था? किरण कहाँ था? घर था अपने.
इसने भाई मेरे को ही पूछा है आके, तो मैंने भी बताया कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा सब बात है.
he also knows. Okay.
तू तो चुप ही रह. तेरा चेहरा साथ नहीं दे रहा. समझा कि नहीं?
मेरा चेहरा साथ ही दे रहा है.
साथ नहीं दे रहा है. यहाँ पे
ना दे
ड्रामा चल रहा है.
उसमें क्या है?
Dude,
यहाँ पे acting कर रहा है. समझा कि
when I
नहीं?
tell you to open your mouth, you open it. Otherwise, don't simply.
मेरे को तेरा
show
शक्ल
acting.
देख के ना मेरे को
Even you also.
क्या चीज़ कर देखते? यहाँ पे एक्टिंग हो रहा है ना, तो एक्टिंग करना. सीरियस कर.
एक्टिंग का है. मैं कर रहा हूँ एक्टिंग.
ये सब acting कर रहा है ना?
मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ.
Dude, it's something serious, man.
Oh.
चलो भाई पागल को समझा रहा
I'm really in chasing now. I have exams and I'm screwed. Completely screwed. Saturday is my exam. Thank you for screwing up everything. And thank you for being with me and pretending to be a friend and back with me playing this game and telling that all those bad things about me. Anyways, man, I came to know your true
क्या
color.
बोल रहे हैं हम इसको यार?
I came to know your true color.
इसको कैसे पता
साले
चला?
बोल तो सही हम क्या?
इसको कैसे पता चला?
ये बोल रहा है कि तू बोला है. इसको कैसे पता चला यार?
Yeah, because this fellow took his name out.
ड्रामा कर रहा है.
ये इसको
This fellow took his name out. Your name out. I was not telling your name, you know that. This
हम कब
fellow.
बोले इसको सेल्फिश यार? इससे मेरे को सिर्फ मतलब क्या खाने पीने में कि हम सेल्फिश बोलेंगे इसको? सेल्फिश पता है इंसान किसको कब बोलता है? जब खुद
Yeah, me. You said no, me.
You just shut
Dude,
up, man.
can I just please talk to him? If you want, you take information. You can just see. You wanted to know that person because of him. You came to know that person. Fine.
Fine.
Now what do you want? You want his number also? You are making jokes, right? No, let me make my jokes, man.
हम कब बोले सेल्फिश इसको? तू बोला कि सेल्फिश बोल रहा है मदर? तू बता यार इसको सेल्फिश बोले हम?
इन दोनों का है हुआ, लेकिन मेरे को पता था कि ए बोला था, इसलिए मैं बोला जो भी हो लौड़ा क्लियर हो जाए।
कौन? मैं बोला था सेल्फिश इसको?
हाँ, ऐसे वो बोला उसको।
अरे तुम लोग घुमा मत, कौन किसको बोला?
You don't play in between. You also know the truth.
ओके,
Don't just put his name out and you be one Mahan
Who
and
said to
Swami
you?
over there.
Who
ये
said
मैं
to you?
चुप-
रंजीत और शिवम।
You wanted to know one person. Because of this fellow, his name came out.
Yes, yes.
He also knows the truth, actually. And this fellow is not opening his mouth because when I ask him, he doesn't want to open. Otherwise, he wants to open like a Mahan and speak. Now you're happy, no? I've screwed up my exam.
No,
Okay,
don't
your name is cool now. I'm screwed up. Thank you for screwing it up, even after being. This is what you give me, dude. After being so close, man. You mean to say the last semester you just want to break it up? All friends has to break like this? It's 5th semester, man. 6th semester, 1 semester. After that, you think you'll meet? If we break like this, you think you'll meet each other again? Do you think?
एक्टिंग अच्छा कर देता।
Dude, you think it's a joke?
No.
Very sad. It's really sad that Shivam tell the whole thing. And
और क्या बोला सेल्फिश के अलावा और क्या बोला? Only selfish.
You told many things. Some bad things.
What?
He has asked.
Anything good?
He also knows. This fellow also knows. This Mahan also knows. He's just being Swami over there. This Mahan also knows, but I don't want to speak. I don't want to fight with him because he's my roommate. I don't want to hurt him. Blah blah blah. But you guys all have hurt me.
अब तुम लोग एग्जाम के टाइम में एक्टिंग कर रहे साले चारों पांचों मिलके, साला पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं किसी को करना है।
अरे लौड़ा एग्जाम के टाइम नहीं
बंदर का
है।
मुंह देख के हमको हंसी आती है।
आओ ठीक है ना।
Yeah.
बंदर बोला तेरे
गुस्सा
को।
भी है।
What?
Sit. Then you decide.
So what are you going to say after screwing it up? After telling that I am
Choking the time is bad.
तेरे को याद आया क्या नहीं?
So what
मतलब
am I supposed to do about the time? You only said no after 10 minutes come. And I was telling
क्या हुआ,
something
याद आया
serious,
कि नहीं
you were
तेरे
making a
को?
joke, man.
जो बोला था तू उसको याद आया?
किधर गया?
तो मैं बोलूँगा तब
He
नहीं
went out to
आएगा।
I don't know where he has gone, man. I really don't know where he has gone. Just leave alone.
पहले ये डांट क्यों रहा है? ये?
कौन सा बात कर?
भाई थोड़ी देर टाइम में बुक ले दे।
ये बात डाली।
Why is he coming in between? Why is everyone coming, man? Dude, you think I'm going crazy, man? Even if someone comes, I'm gonna.
Crazy
tell-
4. Sorry 5.
Dude, just don't allow me to raise my hands, please.
क्या बोला? इसको बोला क्या? इसको बोला क्या?
Excuse me, dude. Excuse me, dude. Do you mind just leaving away, please? Yeah, I'm just having a problem out here. Please, just please. Just please.
Okay,
just
you
please.
sit here.
Just please go, dude, please. Please. Just leave me alone for some time, please. There's some big serious thing happening, some problem happening over here. And to a laugh, it's something serious.
Lock the door. Lock the door. No one is coming.
Yeah.
Sit.
आजा आजा।
और क्या बोल? क्या बोल?
What you guys are playing this thing. Okay, I wanted to tell you. Tell this straight. Don't play with me. Now is your chance to open your mouth. Later, don't open your mouth and show your stupidity and all that stuff.
बोल कुलदीप, चांस मिला है, बोल दे।
You don't want to say anything? After all that he said about me,
So what shall I say? You just came at my room and you told that everything they are telling is okay, you are right. I told
and then you also know the truth, right?
Yeah.
You also know the truth, right? And then,
Then what?
then,
क्या बकचोदी है?
what? Then, what? Tell, dude. Tell. Just tell me what will you.
क्या क्या? तू इसको बोला आप कुछ बोले?
Push me.
अरे साला को गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड की तरह प्यार कर रहे हैं।
Just tell him what happened.
बोलने में कुछ है तो बोलना.
कुछ नहीं बैठ.
Oh, what? You'll push me? You'll push me?
No.
Huh? Just now you push me?
I was just telling push me.
मस्त है.
Push me. Just now you did like this, dude.
रंजित
What?
मस्त करता है.
Yeah.
What, dude? You think only you are strong, huh?
धर्मेंद्र and अमरीश पुरी.
You think only you are strong? Huh?
Don't slap me.
Of course it's not. Because of you. Because of you, all of you are strong.
That's it. Hush. Satisfied, huh?
What I am.
What satisfying?
Only selfish.
man? Selfish? Tell the bad
ए,
news. dude.
खेलना में क्या क्या बोले बोल. Sit. Just cool down. Chill out, man. Just chill.
After scrolling it up, you're telling me to chill.
Want to drink water?
This whatever water is there, man. You drink.
Oh, sorry. एक मिनट. और बता और क्या क्या बोले सेल्फिश हो और
कुछ बोल रहा था.
क्या बोल रहे थे? चले चूतिया बता ना क्या बोल रहे थे?
ओपन कर.
मेरा हो.
Dude, I know I am in your room, okay? Sorry for disturbing, but something serious is happening. Do you mind if you go out?
आजा बैठ जा नीला.
Do you mind?
बैठ.
Okay, sit.
आजा. बैठ ठीक. आधी गेम हो गई है. पूरी कर दे अब. थक गए.
What did you say?
तुम अपने सॉल्व कर लो. कौन किसको बोला अभी तक मेरे को कंफ्यूज है. क्या हुआ क्या भाई?
Why did you say like that? Acting. Why did you say like that? Why are you hitting me?
कुलदीप का देवा.
Why? Why are you hitting me?
It's okay, yeah, it's not going on.
What?
Finish it off.
मैटर क्लोज.
Not a
वैसे
close.
हम लोग
You can make a good actor, Shahrukh.
The only thing is that
Shahrukh Khan.
it's very bad that you.
You want to prove you are Shahrukh Khan?
अरे मेरी
Sochi.
की
Huh? Kiran?
मेरी की शायद कुलदीप का.
Shahrukh Khan.
Give me the thing,